Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 500. The Fiat 500 offers exciting models infused with style, technology, and convenience features to make life on the go more personalized and comforting. And with so many original ways to personalize every Fiat 500, your individuality will be recognized wherever you go. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, brake assist, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, tires, front all season, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.